Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to use the auto trace function in SolidWorks. I'll be showing various screenshots as I walk you through the process. This is a pretty interesting feature. It can save you a lot of time when generating your base sketch on a part. You can also use this feature to bring in images onto existing parts. I've seen some drawings where they've used this feature to create etchings of company logos and such on the side of manufactured parts. So the first thing you have to do is open up SolidWorks and select the plane on which you would like to insert your image. In this case, I'll be working on the front plane. Once we've selected the plane, we can insert our image. In the Tool menu, open Sketch Tools and select the Sketch Picture option at the bottom. This will bring up a Document Explorer window where you can browse and select your image. Once you've selected your image, it should paste right onto the plane that you've selected. To get the Auto Trace feature to work, you actually have to enable an add-in. So go back to the Tools menu, select Add-ins, and turn on the Auto Trace feature. Next, you want to draw a dimension box and scale your image so it fits within the box. This ensures that your part will be the correct size. Make sure when you're scaling your image to hold down Shift while dragging down the corner, that way the aspect ratio stays the same. To actually begin tracing, you need to select the picture. On the Sketch Picture panel to the left, you'll see an arrow to navigate to the next panel. You'll find all the trace settings in that next panel. There are 4 different selection tools that you can choose from. Here I'll be using the rectangular selection tool and selecting everything inside the box I drew earlier. Once you've made your selection, you can press the Begin Trace button. The program will begin to generate splines based on contrasting colors in the image. This means that the more distinct the edges of your image are, the more accurate the splines will be. Using the sliders on the left plane, you can adjust how the function reads the contrast in the image. Keep adjusting the settings until you get a spline that you're satisfied with. It does take a lot of trial and error, but eventually you'll be able to find a spline that works for you. At this point, once you've found a spline that works, you can delete the image and what will be left is the sketch that you wanted. If you did not get a perfect sketch, you can always go in and manually adjust some of the features. Some of the splines can be adjusted and delete anything that does not correspond with the original image that you wanted. To the left, you can see that the final sketch that we have is fairly representative of the image that we started out with. You can see that it's a pretty useful tool and it can save you a lot of time when drawing the original pieces of a drawing. So thanks for watching the video. I hope that you found this tutorial to be informative. Let me know if you have any further questions and give it a thumbs up if you thought it was good.